So good day, everyone. We are the Group 8, and our topic is about solidarity. Let's start from a field joy.
So now we will tackle about solidarity. So what is solidarity? Solidarity means standing together and supporting each other, especially when facing challenges or fighting for a common cause. It's about unity, cooperation, and showing care and empathy for others. When people show solidarity, they work together as a team to help each other out and make things better for everyone. So for example, festa sa amo ang puro. Dapat magtinabanga ang tanan. Kung unsa ang dapat himuon. Like unsa ang pag-design o sa mga program nga mga dapat buhaton. Like sa kalingawan sa fiesta. Dapat magkahiusa ang tanan para mas dali mahuman or ma-achieve ang goal. So that is solidarity.
Hello everyone. So here are the importance of solidarity and community development. So the first one here is the unity and strength. When members of a community stand together in solidarity, they become stronger as a collective. This unity enables them to tackle challenges more effectively and achieve common goals. So the next one is feeling unsupported. Because solidarity makes everyone feel like they have backups, knowing that others have your backs gives you confidence to try new things and make positive changes. The next one is including everyone. Solidarity is about bringing everyone together no matter where or no matter what they believe. It's like saying, we're all in this together, just like that. And the next one here is facing challenges because solidarity helps communities deal with tough times. By working together, they can find solutions and bounce back from hard situations. And the last one is making things better. When a community stands together, they can speak up. They can speak up for what's right and make changes that benefit everyone. It's like having a powerful voice to make the community a better place. So that's all.
Guys, balik sa ako ah. So, when people don't come together to support each other, kining ang kadto bitong mga poor people katong mga murag minus og mga panginabuhi bitaw is kanang ma-down ila ang kuan or let's say maka-encounter sila big problems sa atong society kung dili ta magsuporta sa usag-usa. So, kuan first, we have limited opportunities. Kadtong mga pobre nga mga pamilya, without solidarity, it's harder for these communities to get help or resources to improve their lives. Mas gamay lang oportunidad nga makakita sila kanang trabaho katong mga poor people or let's say dili trabaho or itong mas hinay ang development sa ilang pagkanang improve silang kinabuhi mga tao. Next, we have inequality. They may face discrimination or unfair treatment because they don't have enough support to stand up for their rights. Mo gid ni kasagara nga kung walay kanang kung baga toxic ang community, kanang ang mga poor people dili sila makadawat og fair nga pagtrato. So munang mga problema nga mga nang encounter sa mga poor people usahay, di ba? Di ba? Kabantay mga anak tanan. Agree din mo. Next is healthcare challenges. So they might struggle to access health. Okay. So They might struggle to access healthcare or afford treatments because they don't have enough support. It's hard to, I mean, it's sad to, kaya hear bitaw guys nga, murag gina-discriminate, murag gina-pa-down, imbes pobre na, gina-down pa. Murag dili equal ang treatment. Labi na sa healthcare challenges, lisod kayo para sa ila agyon. Next. Education barriers kini. Without solidarity, di ba? Solidarity. Na-mention na ni Gilitan. Without solidarity, it's tough for them to get the education they need to succeed in life. Kasagara sa mga pobre, lisod kayo eskwela kayo, di ba? Mahal kay tuition, guys. Isa gyud na sila sa kanang problema. Isa sa problema ang pag-eskwela gyud sa mga pobre. Di ba guys? Agree mo. Agree. Vulnerability to exploitation. When they're not supported, they can be taken advantage of by others who see them as easy targets. O di ba? Kini, common nga di ka. Umari ni siya yung moment. Nalimot ko. Sorry. So, sakit kayo para sa mga pobre bitaw ngayon na naon sila gina-discriminate ilang pagka-pobre. Mga anak kayo mga joke lang guys. Sabakin sa siya na. Next is so muna dito. Overall, solidarity is like a safety net for these communities. Without it, they may face a lot more difficulties in their daily lives. Di man guys, kato akong gipang mention kaganihan, lisod kayo to para sa mga pobre, pero lisod yun kayo siya guys, di ba? Agree mo, agree. Magit na. So, here are some simple suggestions to make our communities better. Basta guys, better. First, we have to support each other. Kailangan lagi na suporta sa usa-usa kay isa na sila sa mga way nga kanang mas ma-enhance ang ato ang relationships sa ato ang society, like mapalig-on pa nga atong community. Ano bitang need ang suporta mo sa usa para mas lig-on ang atong community. Gets ninyo? Second is volunteer. As a student, as a teenagers, dapat kita, mga teenagers, pwede man tanan, mama, papa, mga bata, mga gulang, pero kita gyud as a teenagers, mga teenage man ta, kita may mas ligon-ligon. Kung naabitaw tayo heart, we can volunteer. Third, so di ba first, support each other. Second, volunteer. Third, we have share resources. Share resources. Dapat, katotong mga naibalaan, labi na kita, mga estudyante, we have to share our resources. Resources. Atong mga naibalaan bitaw, atong mga knowledge, pwede na ito nga kanang ikasuggest atong barangay bitaw nga mas mapa-enhance. Just like us sa San Pedro, nga, nag-share me sa meeting, purok meeting, nag-suggest me nga, what if, ante, sa mong purok president, what if ante, mag-suggest na sa munisipyo, kuan og tubig, kay, based on namong explain me guys, based on mong knowledge, nga, pwede ka magpangayo sa munisipyo, di ba? Then, yeah, naitabo siya guys. Or, we have to listen and learn. Kung sa pa, watch, listen, and learn. Pero dire, listen and learn, ang highlight. Listen and learn ha, kanang kita makatabang sa community, dili magmarites. Listen, learn, and learn. Misinformation na again. Next, we have to advocate for change. Yes. Mag-advocate kabaguhan sa atong barangay. Para mas mag-better atong community, dapat kung sa atong mga alam, sa atong mga parang nang gusto i-suggest, pwede na ito masuggest nga makaayos sa atong barangay. Dapat we should advocate sa kabaguhan sa atong barangay, mas mapalambok, mas mapalig-on, mas mapa-unite ang mga tao, mas mas mapatsada ang atong barangay at community, komunidad. Gets ninyo guys. And lastly, we have to make connections. Connections. Dapat connection. Dili spark sa connection sa mga char. We have to make connections, guys. Dapat itong ma-approachable ta sa itong mga silingan, sa itong mga kauban sa community para dili na kay ulaw, makil nila nga naata sa ila ang luyo permi maski na sila kasakit. Or kalisod. Dapat kalisod, kalipay, kalungkutan, dapat nakata permi. Mag-make dapat ang connection sa ila para mas palambong ang community. Nara, mga So nara guys, as a young person involved in a community action and solidarity, we place several important rules sa atong community. Para sa mga teenagers na, dako atong rule sa atong community. So we have, or we should advocate. Kini kabutan diri, we can speak up for the needs and rights of our community, especially those who may not have a voice. Pwede ta nga mahimong tingog, pero kita yung instrument bitaw nga. Mutingog ta para sa atong barangay. Kanang bitaw, kung katong mga katong madok istorya, kita as a teenagers, as a mga students, nga na mas knowledge, kay advance naman ta karon, we can't deny that. We should dapat kita ang voice para sa atong community. Next is, we are the organizer. We have the power to bring people together for a common cause, whether it's through events, rallies, or online campaigns, or mga kadula sa barangay. We should be an organizer. Next, educator, of course. Kay kita man ang nag-eskwela, we can help spread awareness and knowledge about important issues facing our community, empowering others to take actions. Next, supporter. By offering our time, skills, and resources, we can support initiatives that promote solidarity and improve the lives of those in need. Of course, guys, pwede ta ng support good. Go, joke. Pwede ta mag-support sa kanang atong mga kauban sa community. Para bitaw mas ma-feel nila nga ay mas ina nila dai ko inaday kaya mag-support ta dapat pa dai. Mas para bitaw guys mas motivated ang atong mga katawhan bitaw. So, kita sa teenagers dapat atong rule nga pwede nga support sa ato ang mga katawan diri sa ato ang community. Di ba, agree? Role model. Sige. By demonstrating our commitment to community action and solidarity, we inspire others, especially fellow young people, to get involved and make a difference. The following statements. We have A. Solidarity is more than unions. Ako lang basahan guys, kay dali lang siya. So, di ba, Bluden man daw. So, naraang ang meaning. Solidarity means standing together and supporting each other, even if we're not in a union. It's about recognizing that we're all connected and caring about each other's well-being. Muna itong explain ganihan ni Gurita. Solidarity is shown when we help our neighbors stand up for justice and work together to make our communities better for everyone. It's not just about unions, it's about the spirit of togetherness and support that strengthens our bonds as a community. Moto guys, nag-gets na ninyo. It's about unity yun guys. Unions, unity. Na to. B, we have B. Solidarity means, B. Solidarity is defying boundaries. Boundaries. Sige. Nara yung explanation, kay i-Bruden man daw siya, yung Bruden meaning. So, solidarity means breaking down barriers, and coming together as one, even when there are things that try to separate us. It's about showing support and unity across differences like race, religion, or nationality. Solidarity is powerful because it shows that no matter where we come from, or no matter what, that no matter where we come from or what we believe, we can still stand together for what's right. Muna i-explain ni Ray. Maski pag Muslim ka dira, maski pag Isday ka dira, maski pag Buddha ka dira, or Ginoo ka, we can still stand together as what's right. We can maka-unite gyapon ta guys. Dili ingon nga Muslim ka, dili ka bilong sa mga Christians, dili ka bilong ani nga community. dili na nang pasabot guys. We still stand together. It's about defying boundaries and embracing the idea that we're all in this together. Some of the explanations of B. And lastly, we have C. Solidarity is from communication to action. Solidarity is more than just talking about problems. It's about doing something to solve them. It starts with listening and talking to each other, but it doesn't stop there. Solidarity means taking real steps to make things better, whether it's volunteering, protesting, protesting, or supporting each other in times of need. It's about turning words into actions and working together to create positive change in our communities. Taas pa kayo tayo, guys. Dangan pa. Mga to, go eat me. Yeah, I'm just ready to leave in my color. Goodbye, guys. Good night, good day, good morning, good afternoon. Kung paano sa ninyo basa. Bye. Thank you.